These units are manufactured in Mexico by Carrier and are available through dealers in the USA and Canada. The PH4G models can either be slab-mounted or easily field-converted for rooftop installation, while the PH4Z models are dedicated slab-mount units. The PH4Z models use louvered panel construction, which is superior for protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage, while the PH4G models use a wire grill, which is less effective. The PH4Z units have a standard PSC blower motor, while the PH4G has a variable speed motor for quieter operation. They are relatively loud in operation, with sound levels roughly equivalent to that of an alarm clock, and the guarantee, which does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure, is not as good as many other brands. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.